Hello and welcome to my channel Circle Cooks. I'm Adela. Today I'm making a recipe with ground beef, and these are going to be meatballs. That's right, we're going to make a ground beef meatballs recipe with a creamy sauce. This recipe is simple and it's also keto friendly. So let's go ahead and make these meatballs and you'll see how simple and delicious they come out. My ingredients, I have some ghee, salt and pepper, Italian seasoning, parsley, some heavy cream, Parmesan, mozzarella, an egg, and ground beef. The exact measurements you'll find in the description box as always. And let's make these meatballs. I'm preheating the oven to 400, and in the bowl with the ground beef, now I'm going to add a quarter of the Parmesan, a quarter of the mozzarella, the egg, some salt, some black pepper, and the parsley and Italian seasoning. Gonna mix it well, and then I'm gonna form the meatballs. So I got a total of 18 meatballs, and now I'm going to brown them in the ghee, and I'm probably gonna do it in 2 batches. We don't want them to be crowded. And yeah, until they're brown on all sides. Now we're going to add the heavy cream to the skillet, and we have the little bits of the meatballs caramelized, and then we're going to season with salt and pepper, and we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes or until it's thickened enough. And then we turn it off, and then we pour it over, we add the Parmesan cheese and mix it, and then we pour it over the meatballs that I placed in a casserole, oven safe casserole. It took 20 minutes and my ground beef meatball bake is done. They look delicious, nice color, so easy to make, simple ingredients, and they came out delicious. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'll see you next video. Bye!